What if I told you that right now, we're flying through space at over 828,000 kilometers per hour? Our home is not just a planet, but part of a vast cosmic ocean called the Milky Way. This galaxy is only one among hundreds of billions, yet for us, it's the only one that truly matters. Today, we journey through it to uncover the story of our galactic home. The Milky Way is a spiral galaxy with magnificent arms, home to billions upon billions of stars. Our sun resides on the outskirts, in a quiet neighborhood known as the Orion Arm. From the galactic center, we're about 26,000 light-years away, far from the chaos, yet close enough to feel its pull. Even here, on this distant edge, we can feel the heartbeat of the cosmos. At the heart of the Milky Way lies a cosmic giant, the supermassive black hole known as Sagittarius ***. It holds the mass of more than 4 million suns, swallowing light itself. Nothing can escape its gravity, not even time. Yet it is this dark heart that keeps our galaxy together, the silent anchor of 100 billion worlds. Every star in the galaxy is a universe of possibilities. Many have their own planets. Some have entire systems like ours. We are just one spark in this vast ocean of light. And still, any one of those distant suns might be someone else's home. If we could look at the Milky Way from above, we'd see a colossal spiral, 100,000 light-years across, but barely 1,000 thick. Billions of suns dance across its luminous arms, swirling through space like golden dust. And there, among them, our small blue world travels quietly, unaware of the grand design it's part of. To understand our galaxy, we must first understand what it's made of. Half of it is stars and gas. The rest is something invisible, something we call dark matter. It emits no light, yet its presence binds everything together, like an unseen web of gravity. Without it, the galaxy would fall apart. Stars are the true heart of the Milky Way. They are born, they live, they die, and from their deaths come new worlds. Inside collapsing stars, gold, iron, and oxygen are forged, the very atoms that make our bodies. We are children of the stars, born from the ashes of their fire. Our sun is one of 400 billion such stars. It's been shining for 4.6 billion years, and will burn 4 billion more. Around it orbits 8 planets, countless asteroids and comets, and only one, as far as we know, gave birth to life. That fragile world is our home, a spark of consciousness adrift in a sea of stars. Our place in the universe may seem small, yet it's unique. We are observers, capable of understanding the galaxy we live in. The Milky Way moves, spins, and breathes, and with it, every particle of us moves too. We are the galaxy aware of itself. But the Milky Way is not eternal. It's traveling toward another giant, the Andromeda galaxy. In 4 billion years, they will meet and merge into one vast kingdom of light. For us, it will be the end of the old Milky Way, and the birth of a new world, Milky Omega. Scientists believe our galaxy formed over 13 billion years ago. It was born from clouds of gas and darkness when the universe itself was young. From that chaos, The first stars ignited, seeds of light in an endless night. And with each new generation of stars, the galaxy grew brighter, richer, more alive. The Milky Way is filled with giant clouds of gas and dust, the cradles where new stars are born. We call them nebulae, and each one is unique. Some glow with radiant color, others are dark and silent, hiding unborn suns within. They are the wombs of the cosmos. The entire galaxy spins around its center at over 200 kilometers per second. One full rotation takes 230 million years. Since the age of the dinosaurs, our sun has completed just one lap around the core. We are passengers on an endless cosmic wheel. From afar, the Milky Way looks like a perfect spiral, but in truth, it's warped, twisted, uneven. Its edges ripple like waves, bent by the gravity of nearby galaxies. Each distortion is a scar left by ancient collisions. The galaxy is alive, shifting, breathing. Evolving dots around it orbit dozens of smaller galaxies, companions bound by invisible threads. The Magellanic Clouds are the most famous, trailing streams of gas behind them. Someday, they may fall into the Milky Way and become part of it. Even in the vastness of space, nothing truly drifts alone. From the top, the Milky Way looks like a glowing disk of light and shadow. In its center, a dense cluster of stars burns endlessly. Along its spiral arms, gas clouds give birth to young suns, like sparks bursting from a forge. It is the living heart of the universe, spinning in the dark. Light from the galactic core takes tens of thousands of years to reach us. When we look through telescopes, we see not the present but the past, frozen in time. Every photon is a messenger from long ago, carrying memories of what once was. To gaze upon the Milky Way is to look back through history itself. Surrounding the galaxy are ancient star clusters, spherical swarms, billions of years old. They are the fossils of the early universe, orbiting the Milky Way like silent sentinels. Each one holds secrets of how everything began. They remind us that time in the cosmos moves to a different rhythm. Inside the galaxy, everything moves with graceful precision. Stars race through their orbits at incredible speeds, yet in perfect harmony. There is no chaos, only rhythm and balance. The Milky Way is a vast cosmic symphony, and we are one of its quiet notes. When we look at the night sky, we see only a thin band of the galaxy edging across the dark. That shimmering path of light is our home, our trail across infinity. Every star within it is a reminder that we belong to something far greater. The Milky Way is not above us, it's within us. Our sun travels around the galactic center, completing one orbit every 230 million years. Since Earth's birth, it has circled the core 20 times. As it moves, it passes through calm regions and violent stellar storms alike. Even Earth's climate feels the echoes of this journey through the galaxy. Some stars cannot endure time. They explode as supernovae, scattering elements across space. From that destruction comes creation, new worlds, new stars, and perhaps new life. Every death in the cosmos gives birth to something else. This is how the universe renews itself. Endlessly behind all that light lies something mysterious, dark energy. It stretches space itself, driving galaxies apart faster and faster. We cannot see it, but we feel its influence everywhere. It is the breath of the universe, expanding the fabric of reality. Billions of years from now, the Milky Way will fade and change. Stars will die, the spirals will dissolve, and only ghostly glows will remain. But while it shines, it breathes, sings, and dances with billions of suns. Each of them reminds us of our fleeting, brilliant place in eternity. 4 billion years from now, Andromeda will collide with the Milky Way. Their stars will weave together in magnificent bridges of light. It will not be chaos, but creation, a dance of gravity and fire. From their union will rise a new galaxy, radiant and eternal. During the merger, most stars won't collide at all. Space is too vast. They will simply shift orbits, gliding past one another like dancers in a cosmic waltz. Gravity will paint spirals and arcs of brilliance, forming patterns of light and shadow. It will be both an ending and a beginning dot at the center of the newborn galaxy. Two black holes will merge into one. A new, even greater heart will form, a beacon of gravity and power. Around it, countless new stars will ignite from the compressed clouds of gas. The universe will begin another cycle of light. And even billions of years later, traces of the old Milky Way will remain. Its stars will wander new paths, but their legacy will endure. Every glow in the sky of the far future will be a whisper from our ancient home. It will tell the cosmos that once, here, we existed. The Milky Way is not just stars. It's the story of matter, life, and awareness. When we look at the sky, we're not seeing the past or the future. We're seeing ourselves, because humanity is the galaxy, aware of its own existence. We are the universe, looking back at itself, zooming farther out. We see we are not alone. The Milky Way is part of a grander family, the local group, a community of galaxies bound together, and all of these galaxies form filaments and clusters, the cosmic web itself. We are a single glowing thread in an infinite tapestry. Scientists have mapped this web, stretching billions of light years across. Our galaxy lies within a vast supercluster called galactic, immeasurable heaven. It flows like a river of galaxies, each carried along by cosmic gravity. We drift within it, small but aware, a drop in an endless ocean. When we gaze into the abyss of space, we don't see emptiness. We see connection between atoms, stars, and thought itself. Every photon once belonged to a star. Every atom in us was forged in one. The Milky Way exists so that the universe can think about itself through us. Long ago, people saw the Milky Way as the road of gods, a bridge of spirits across the night. Today, we call it a galaxy, yet the wonder remains the same. Science has not destroyed the magic, it has revealed its true nature. The more we learn, the more we stand in awe. We build telescopes that can see billions of years into the past. We witness the birth of galaxies, the death of stars, and the glow of ancient light. Every discovery brings us closer to understanding where we come from. Every image is a whisper from the dawn of time. One day, we may leave this galaxy behind. Humanity will build ships capable of crossing the intergalactic void. We will carry the memory of the Milky Way into new skies. And somewhere far away, another being may look up and call it legend. Even when the last stars fade, the Milky Way will live on, in our memory, in our stories. As long as one mind remembers, the light will never truly die. Because every story ever told, every dream ever dreamed, began beneath these stars. The galaxy endures through those who love it. Perhaps infinity is not something to fear. Perhaps it is a mirror in which the universe sees itself, reflected in our eyes. Every time we look at the stars, the cosmos looks back through us. We are the reflection of eternity. One day, everything will vanish, light, stars, and planets. But as long as someone still gazes upward, the universe will remember itself. We are its eyes, its voice, its breath. The Milky Way lives because we are alive. The next time you look at the night sky, remember this: you're not just looking at distant light, you're seeing your reflection in forever. Every star is a story the universe is telling in silence, and one of those stories is you. The Milky Way is not just a galaxy. It is the story of how stardust became consciousness, aware, curious, alive. We are not the end of that story, but its continuation. And as long as one soul still looks to the stars, the universe remembers who it is.